Climate change. When speaking of big problems that the world is facing, we could mention a long list of issues that affect humanity. The weather is a problem of great importance today because we are seeing a drastic change in climate that is causing a natural phenomenon over time that will be strong attacking the human life. The causes of global warming are the presence in the atmosphere of CO2 and other gases. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of many gases like nitrogen and oxygen. The rest are called greenhouse gases, that we can't see or smell, like carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. The deterioration of the ozone layer is now one of the most serious environmental problems facing our planet. The ozone is located in the stratosphere. The ozone acts as a powerful filter that passes only a small part of the ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun. Global warming is the theory that there is an increase in average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans driven by the greenhouse effect caused by emissions of carbon dioxide and other gases. According to the graph, the temperature has risen over the past 50 years, and it is estimated that it is largely due to human activity, increasing during the last years. Global warming not only affects the temperature, but also in overall rainfall, cloud cover, and all other elements of the atmospheric system. Burning oil, coal, and natural gas have caused increased CO2 in the atmosphere and produced a corresponding increase in temperature. Small concentrations of greenhouse gases are useful to our survival because through them the sun rays reach the earth and some of them are rejected and others are retained and gives the result of an average temperature on the surface of land about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The normal temperature is favorable for life and human development. Although with the burning of fossil fuels for energy production and other human activities associated with industrialization, this is causing the emission of more polluting gases to gather in the atmosphere. The CO2 holds back more heat than necessary, causing further warming that causes climate change. Over the past 650,000 years, the levels of carbon dioxide have been lower levels than today. CO2 levels have risen over 30% in the last 150 years. All this increasing occurred during our last 3 decades. The consequences are many, affecting all sectors of human life, all life on Earth, such as health, quality of surface water, groundwater quality in terrestrial ecosystems, coastal ecosystems, in agriculture on flora and fauna. All these factors will be altered if nothing is done to help our planet. Climate change will be happening and the consequences will be there. The Earth's climate is very difficult to prevent because there are many factors to take into account, such as rainfall, sunlight, wind, temperature, etc. Researchers are sure that after the physical changes, nothing will be the same. The current rate of warming is accelerating the pollution and increasing the temperatures of the Earth's surface. Because of these factors, we'll be having torrential rains, floods, hurricanes, and melting polar ice caps. The significant increase of sea level that will devastate populations like India, New York, and others. Also floods and droughts will become more common. Rainfall in Ethiopia, where droughts are common, could decline by 10% over the next 50 years. There are some and perhaps most important factors for the cause of pollution. It's in the hands of the government to take control. The US is one of the major providers of CO2 in the world. Much of the industry in the US is based on the production of energy from burning fossil fuels such as gasoline, natural gas, and other petroleum products. Everyone should have to change habits and find new energy sources to boost industrialization. Some sources of energy could be wind, solar, and even nuclear fusion. It will cause a great impact on the economies and applications made to reach that end of oil. The future after us is very frightening, but we as humans can stop this catastrophe. We just have to realize that our planet is about to collapse. The solution is in our hands, and we can all apply something simple to begin implementing these simple steps: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Other activities we'll be doing is use your car in a reasonable manner, use less water, saving energy by changing the light bulbs turning the car, wash the car with just a bucket of water. These small activities will help much to the planet and most importantly, to raise awareness.